Imagine a place where you can touch the sky, where the neon lights of Sin City stretch out beneath you like a glittering carpet, and where you can sip cocktails while floating 550 feet above the ground. No, it's not a dream. It's a reality in the heart of Las Vegas, Nevada. But what could this sky-high marvel be? And why has it become an icon of the Vegas skyline? Welcome to the LINQ Promenade, where the spirit of innovation meets the glitz and glamour of Las Vegas. In 2014, this bustling entertainment district became home to a structure that would redefine the city's skyline and set a new standard for observation wheels worldwide. The High Roller, as it's aptly named, isn't just a Ferris wheel. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our endless pursuit of bigger, better, and more breathtaking experiences. As you approach this colossal structure, you're immediately struck by its sheer scale. Standing 550 feet tall and 520 feet in diameter, the High Roller dwarfs the surrounding buildings. Its sleek, modern design is a far cry from the carnival Ferris wheels of your childhood. Instead, it's a marvel of engineering, with 28 spherical cabins that seem to float effortlessly around the massive wheel. But here's where it gets really interesting. Did you know that this wheel is so massive it actually creates its own weather system? That's right, the High Roller is so large that it can experience different weather conditions at its top and bottom. On rare occasions, passengers have reported a light drizzle inside the cabins due to condensation, a surreal experience of indoor rain high above the desert landscape. Here's a little-known fact that might surprise you. Buried beneath the High Roller's foundation are destroyed weapons and symbols of war. It's a poignant reminder of Las Vegas's commitment to transformation and rebirth, hidden just beneath the surface of this monument to joy and entertainment. As you step into one of the spacious cabins, you'll notice they're more like floating lounges than traditional Ferris wheel cars. Each cabin can hold up to 40 people and is equipped with 8 flat-screen TVs. But trust me, you won't be watching much TV once the wheel starts to turn and the panoramic views of Las Vegas unfold before you. Another fascinating tidbit: the High Roller rotates so slowly, at 1 foot per second, that it doesn't need to stop for boarding. The 30-minute revolution gives you ample time to soak in the 360-degree views of the Las Vegas Strip, the surrounding valley, and on clear days, you can even see as far as the Grand Canyon. Perhaps the most contentious aspect of the High Roller is its claim to fame. While it held the title of world's tallest observation wheel when it opened in 2014, it has since been surpassed by Ain Dubai. However, with Ain Dubai currently closed indefinitely, the High Roller has reclaimed its crown as the tallest operational observation wheel in the world, a fact that sparks heated debates among Ferris wheel enthusiasts. You'll find this sky-high marvel at 3545 South Las Vegas Boulevard, right in the heart of the LINQ Promenade between the Flamingo and LINQ hotels. Pro tip: visit just before sunset for the best of both worlds, daytime and nighttime views. And if you're feeling adventurous, opt for the happy half-hour ticket, which includes an open bar in your cabin. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a romantic looking for a unique date night, or simply someone who appreciates engineering marvels, the High Roller offers an experience that encapsulates the spirit of Las Vegas. It's more than just a ride. It's a journey that lifts you above the chaos of the Strip and gives you a new perspective on the City of Lights. So come on up. The view from the top is waiting for you. Imagine a place where the ghosts of Sin City's past come alive in a dazzling display of light and color. A place where retired icons find new life, telling stories of a bygone era when neon reigned supreme. What if I told you that in the heart of the desert, there's a graveyard that glows in the dark, preserving the very soul of America's playground? Welcome to Las Vegas, where even the city's discarded dreams shine brighter than most. Las Vegas, a city built on glitz, glamour, and a healthy dose of reinvention, has always known how to put on a show. But as casinos and hotels constantly update their facades, what happens to the iconic signs that once lit up the Strip? Enter our mysterious destination, a place that's part museum, part-time machine, and all spectacle. As you approach, you're greeted by a towering assembly of metal and glass, Silent sentinels standing guard over decades of Vegas history. The famous Sahara camel, the Stardust's cosmic lettering, the larger-than-life pirate skull from Treasure Island. They're all here, waiting to tell their stories. But it's when the sun goes down that the real magic happens. As darkness falls, select signs flicker to life, bathing the area in a warm, nostalgic glow that transports you back to the Vegas of yesteryear. But here's where it gets really interesting. Did you know that this collection includes signs that date back to the 1930s, long before Las Vegas became the neon-soaked wonderland we know today? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Neon Museum, where Las Vegas' luminous history comes to life. This 2.27-acre outdoor exhibition space, affectionately known as the Neon Boneyard, is home to over 200 unrestored signs, each with a story to tell. As you wander through the Boneyard, you'll discover fascinating tidbits that'll make you the hit of your next Vegas trip. For instance, did you know that the famous "Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas" sign isn't actually in Las Vegas at all? It's technically in Paradise, Nevada. But don't worry, you can see a replica right here at the museum. Here's another little-known fact. The Neon Museum is home to the lobby of the La Concha Motel, a striking example of mid-century modern architecture. This shell-shaped structure was actually moved piece by piece from its original location on the Strip to serve as the museum's visitor center. But perhaps the most surprising aspect of this museum is its commitment to sustainability. Many of the signs have been refurbished using LED bulbs, maintaining their classic look while being more energy efficient. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern technology. Now, you might be thinking, isn't it a bit odd to have a museum dedicated to old signs? And that's a fair question. But consider this. These signs are more than just advertisements. They're works of art, pieces of cultural history that tell the story of how Las Vegas evolved from a small desert town to the entertainment capital of the world. By preserving these signs, the Neon Museum is preserving a unique slice of Americana. You can find this glowing gem at 770 Las Vegas Boulevard North, Las Vegas, Nevada 89101. It's just a short drive from the heart of the Strip, making it an easy addition to any Vegas itinerary. Here's a pro tip. Book an evening tour to see the signs illuminated. And don't forget to bring a camera. The play of light and shadow creates some truly stunning photo opportunities. Just remember, tripods are only allowed on certain tours, so check ahead if you're planning on serious photography. The Neon Museum is more than just a collection of old signs. It's a journey through time, a celebration of art and innovation, and a testament to the enduring allure of Las Vegas. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or just someone looking for a unique Vegas experience, this museum offers a dazzling glimpse into the city's luminous past. So, are you ready to see Las Vegas in a whole new light? The Neon Museum is waiting to illuminate your imagination. Welcome to the heart of Georgia, where a hidden gem awaits discovery. Nestled in the bustling city of Atlanta, there's a place that transcends age and time, a sanctuary where imagination takes center stage. But before we unveil this magical destination, let me ask, when was the last time you truly felt like a child again? Hold onto that thought as we journey into a world where strings and stories intertwine. Atlanta, a city known for its rich history and vibrant culture, holds a treasure unlike any other in the United States. In 1978, a ribbon was cut by none other than Jim Henson and Kermit the Frog, marking the birth of what would become the largest nonprofit organization dedicated to puppetry arts in the nation. This center isn't just about marionettes. It's a cultural beacon that has educated and entertained millions through performances, workshops, and an expansive museum collection. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of storytelling and creativity. Step inside this whimsical world, and you'll find yourself surrounded by over 5,000 puppets from across the globe. The Worlds of Puppetry Museum is a marvel in itself, featuring 2 permanent galleries, one dedicated to international puppetry and another celebrating the iconic creations of Jim Henson. Imagine seeing Kermit, Miss Piggy, and even characters from the Dark Crystal up close. But that's not all. This place offers hands-on experiences like puppet-making workshops and interactive exhibits that bring out your inner puppeteer. But wait, Did you know there's a secret behind these puppets that even seasoned visitors might miss? The Center for Puppetry Arts is more than just a museum. It's an immersive experience. One little known fact is that it houses the largest collection of Jim Henson's work in the world. Visitors can explore Henson's creative process through exhibits that include his original sketches and early TV show characters like Rolf the dog. Lesser-known gems include Asian puppets acquired from Vietnam and South Korea, showcasing diverse cultural narratives through intricate designs. For those who love cult classics, the museum features puppets from Henson's adult-oriented films like Labyrinth and The Dark Crystal. And here's something not many people know. During the 1996 Olympics in Atlanta, international visitors flocked to this center because it offered an experience they couldn't find anywhere else. The center even hosted midnight performances to meet demand, a testament to its global allure. A contentious point for discussion: is puppetry just for kids? Many adults find themselves captivated by the art form's complexity and emotional depth. The center hosts adults-only events like Puppets and Pints, proving that puppetry can be as sophisticated as it is playful. You can find this enchanting venue at 1404 Spring Street Northwest at 18th Street, right in Midtown Atlanta. Plan your visit during weekdays to avoid crowds. Take advantage of MARTA for easy access, as parking is limited. Whether you're reliving childhood memories or creating new ones, the Center for Puppetry Arts offers an unforgettable experience. Dive into this magical world where every puppet has a story waiting to be told. Visit soon. You won't want to miss out on this unique adventure.